Hey everyone! It's our favorite top back, but this time in gorgeous mauve, a perfect spring summer color. It is exactly like the green one that we had. So it's that like micro rib, super stretchy, really nice rounded V-neck, tank style tunic with pockets. So you could definitely wear this as a dress. I wore it with shorts and you really can't even see the shorts underneath it. Or you can throw it on with capris like I have, or you could wear it with jeans, or you could just belt it and have it as like a nice loose tunic look. Really, really comfortable and crazy, crazy stretchy. And if I didn't say already, it's got pockets, and I always love when something has pockets. Really nice length, so you can definitely wear this with leggings as well, or shorts like I said, and just super like great movement in the fabric. So this one comes in small, medium and large. Small is going to be 0 through 10, 12. Large is going to be 10 through 6, small is going to be 0 through 10, 12. Medium is going to be 10 through 16, 18. And the large is going to be 18 plus. Like you can kind of see, there is so much fabric in this one. It's designed to be kind of almost like a one size fits all, with that drape, with the cut, with the stretch. So it's a very versatile piece, crazy, crazy comfortable, and so many ways that you can wear this. If you do have any other questions on this one, please send us a message so we can help you out. Otherwise, go snatch it up now.